The National People's Party on the 2nd of December 2025 formally inducted Dr. Lorho S. Fozé as the new president of its Manipur state unit along with the working presidents during a ceremony held at the party's central office. The event was attended by NPP National President and Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, National Working President James K. Sangma, party legislators and senior functionaries. After receiving the felicitation, Dr. Fozé was stated to have expressed his appreciation to the party leadership for entrusting him with the responsibility of leading the Manipur unit at a time when the state continues to grapple with unrest.
Now Mr. Aham Pandey. Yes.
I'm truly honored by the trust that the national team leadership has reposed on me at a time when Manipur is going through a lot of turmoil, at a time when crisis has gripped the state of Manipur. There has been a team that was working there, but I think the need for appointment of a leadership, a president was there because there was an interim president, and I'm so glad that the leadership of the NPP has requested me to take charge of this office. I'm really thankful. The state of Manipur is going through a lot of turmoil, as I've said. It needs a lot of rethink, a lot of relook into whatever has been going on. And I think at a time like this, I'm also grateful that the One Northeast movement has also come in, and I'm so privileged to be, coming at such a window period, and I'm grateful that we have a huge task ahead of us. The challenges are many, but in spite of the challenges, the rewards are also going to be huge with we overcoming the challenges ahead of us. The state of Manipur is going to come into meet the election. The election year is not very far off. We are at the moment having the president's rule, but hopefully the government of India, the government of the people in Manipur are expecting that something good will come up, that the state will get a new government very soon, and hopefully that should be the way it is. And that will alone probably be able to bring about peace, understanding, growth back into the state once again. We're thankful that the NPP is going to make a great impact in the coming days. NPP will play a very, very important role, and I'm sure that at a time like this when there has been turmoil, a lot of people are looking at the National People's Party as the beacon of hope to bring once again peace and development in the state of Manipur. And today, the leadership in the National People's Party has also appointed a new team of leadership amongst our MLAs, and also probably we'll be able to reorganize ourselves even in the state party.
Conrad K. Sangma in his remarks reportedly extended his congratulations to Dr. Fozé, noting that his assumption of change comes at a critical juncture for both Manipur and the NPP. He added that the new leadership would play an important role in strengthening the party during this challenging phase.
I would like to congratulate and once again give my best wishes to Dr. Lorho as he takes charge of a very, very important responsibility at a very important time and phase for the state of Manipur, and more importantly, for the National People's Party in the state of Manipur. Friends, the reason why this is a very, very important and a crucial time for the state as well as for us as a party is because Manipur is going through a very critical phase. Apart from the difficult law and order situation, the socio-political situation that Manipur is facing, there is a lot of political uncertainty that exists right now in Manipur. There is also a situation where a large vacuum is emerging in the landscape of the political landscape of Manipur. And hence, it is absolutely necessary for us as a party to be able to organize ourselves and be able to really welcome different individuals and people who may be keen to join the party and seize this opportunity as a political party to be able to take the strength of the party forward in the state of Manipur and in the Northeast as a whole. And that is the reason why this phase, this particular moment, and the appointment of Dr. Lorho at this particular time is of paramount importance to the National People's Party. Dr. Lorho's experience as a parliamentarian, his experience and his performance in the Lok Sabha and outside the Lok Sabha has been something that we are all aware of. A person who is very soft-spoken, he is always smiling, he is always welcoming, but behind the smile, there is a person who believes in principles, a person who is a God-fearing person, a person who is dedicated to his people, dedicated to the state, and dedicated to the region of the Northeast. And therefore, he presents himself as the ideal person to take over the state of Manipur as the president and take our party forward, build up the organization so that we are ready to fight the elections in 2027.